Hello Hodghill, and welcome to today's lesson on inequalities. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to show inequalities on a number line using BIDMAS as well. So the keywords for today are less than, greater than, equal to, integer, and inequality. Okay, so in the previous lesson, I showed you how to write down inequalities using a diagram, but only with one value. Okay, now we have two values. Those two values are 3 and 7. Okay, so we're looking for all of the x values which are greater than 3 but less than 7. Don't forget, because these are hollow circles, they are not filled, we are just using less than or greater than. We're not using equals to. Okay, so the two values I'm going to write down are 3 and 7, and because we are looking for the x values in between, I'm going to put the x in the middle. Let's have a look at the diagram again. We are looking for x values greater than 3, so x must be greater than 3. And we are looking for the x values which are less than 7, so x must be less than 7. Okay, less than 7. Okay, we have now come on to the mini whiteboard question. Can you please have a go at writing down the correct inequality that satisfies this diagram? Okay, welcome back. So the two values are 2 and 10, and x must be greater than 2 but less than 10. So the correct answer is B. Can you please have a go at this one now? Okay, welcome back. So the two values are minus 2 and 2. So I can get rid of this one and I can get rid of this one, because we're going to write it like this: minus 2 and 2, and x is going to be in the middle because x is between the two. Okay, we're looking for the x values which are greater than minus 2, so x is going to be greater than minus 2, and we are looking for the x values which are less than 2, so x is going to be less than 2, and that leaves us with B, our correct answer. Okay, we're doing a similar example. However, you can hopefully notice that these are shaded in. They are filled circles. What that means is we are not using greater than or less than. We're going to be using greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Okay, so our two values are 2 and 6. So I'm going to put my 2 here. I'm going to put my 6 there. And x is going to be all of these values in between. Okay, all of these values in between. So x must be greater than or equals to 2. X is going to be greater than or equals to 2. And x must also be less than or equals to 6. So it's going to be less than or equals to 6. This is how you denote less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Can you please have a go at this mini whiteboard question? Once you're finished, can you please return to the video and I'll give you the answer. Okay, welcome back. So the two values are 2 and 5. Our x values are going to be between 2 and 5. Okay, now we're looking for all of the values which are greater than or equals to 2 and less than or equals to 5, and that will give us option A. Can you please have a go at this mini whiteboard question? Once you're finished, come back and I'll give you the answer. Okay, welcome back. So the correct answer is 9. X is greater than or equals to 9 and less than or equals to 12. Okay, we have now come on to the main task. What I would like you to do is from question 2, can you do 2 questions from question 2? Can you do 2 of these sub-questions from question 3? And can you have a go at 2 out of 4 of these green questions? So 2 from question 2, 2 from question 3, and then have a go of any 2 questions from the green section. Once you're finished, please take a picture of your solutions and upload it onto class charts. Good luck.